I used to use a picnic blanket. I threw down a picnic blanket where I was going to set up my ladder inside the home. So typically, commonly, I found that the attic access was in the ceiling of the second floor hallway or bedroom. And so instead of just putting my ladder down with dirty feet, I don't have indoor-only shoes for my ladder, right? But I have a picnic blanket. And not just any blanket, not a canvas thing that has dirt on it, not a painter's cloth, right, with a bunch of splotches on it. It was the idea of a picnic blanket is it's so clean that you could eat off it, right, during a picnic. So you put down your picnic blanket. I had two, actually, one for the floor for my ladder feet, and then for the clothes, to protect the clothes, because a lot of access panels are in the closet, unfortunately. It's crazy. In the closet of a bedroom. So when you open up that access panel, all that insulation or rock wool fiberglass will come down on the clothes, not mine. So I have two picnic blankets, got my ladder, I open it up, and then guess what I do? I take a picture of it. Click, so no one has any complaints, right? I've taken a picture of my indoor-only shoes, and I've taken a picture of the picnic blankets, protecting other people's stuff because I respect it so much. Marketing tip, they loved it. I mean, almost everything I do was really good for my business, allowed me to perform a really good inspection and be very thorough and clean, but it was also had the extra benefit. Almost everything I did was a marketing bump, bumped up my marketing, bumped up my brand, and people talked about it.